Hi, what's up YouTube? In today's video, I'm gonna make this video short and sweet. I'm gonna show you how to turn off the PCS light indicator. If you see right over there in that right corner there, that stands for the pre-collision system. Nothing's wrong with the vehicle. It's actually right down over here. So you just stick your finger down here, you'll feel two buttons. One on your left side here is gonna be the TPMS sensor, and then the one to your right is another button that you can push, just like this. So I'll push it again so you can see it turn on and off. So it's off now. Turn it back on. All right, so I just turned it back on so you can see it. This is the PCS light that's on. We're trying to turn off the PCS on a Lexus. This is actually on a 2015 Lexus RCF. This will also work for the regular RCs as well. But if you go right underneath your steering column, right underneath here, you're gonna see the TPMS sensor button. Leave that alone. This one right here is the PCS. You're actually going to just push this button just like that, and it will turn it off. All gone. Hope this video helped out. Please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. And as always, thank you for watching.